Magandang hapon po ng Wednesday, August 21, 2024. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng Wednesday, August 21, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. draw result ngayong hapon ng August 21, 2024 Wednesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero ang lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. draw result of Grand Lotto 655, Mega Lotto 645, 4D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for Wednesday, August 21, 2024. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Grand Lotto 655 is 213.5 million pesos and Mega Lotto 645 jackpot price estimates is 8.9 million pesos for August 21, 2024 Wednesday. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for Wednesday, August 21, 2024. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.